Hello friends, this is Pankaj and you are watching AEM and DevOps tutorial. In this video we will see how you can install Linux on AWS. So before starting this video, if you have not subscribed for this channel yet, you can subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of my next video. Let's get started. First open the browser and go to the aws.amazon.com. Here click on sign into the console. Yeah, and here log in with your credentials. Click on next. Let me put my password here. Once you log in into AWS console, you will see the home page. Now we landed into the home page of AWS console. Here you can see the services which AWS provides. So to install Linux or Windows on this AWS, you should know what EC2 is. So it stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. EC2 is nothing but a server. It's a raw server just like a fresh computer that AWS provides. Here you specify the kind of processor that you want, kind of RAM and that you want, and you click on launch and next you get a server of that exact configuration that you have specified. So you can click on EC2 either from here or you can go to the services and you can see EC2 here. So let's click on EC2. After loading, just scroll down and click on launch instance. Here I want to launch my first server on AWS. I will install Linux. In this step, you will see there's a list of different OS. For example, we have Amazon Linux, we have Red Hat, SUSE, Ubuntu, and make sure if you select while selecting any OS from here, so there should be a free tier eligible specified. That means this Linux is free and you can use it. In our video, we'll see how you can install Ubuntu. This is free tier eligible. So click on select here. It will take you to the step 2. Here you can see we have a type t2.micro. Here you can see the size of server. Example, we have CPU, one CPU, and we have memory of 1 GB. Now click on next. These are the default configuration. Leave it and now click on next. This is the fourth step. So here we will see we have a hard drive storage of 8 GB. Now click on next. It takes you to step 5, adding text. Tags are nothing but a metadata which helps in searching. For example, we have a lot of instance, so it helps in searching our instance. Leave it for now and click on next. Now here we will configure the security group. So we can see we have a different type of security group and here we will select the SSH which was selected by default. So here you can select the protocol that you want to allow on this server so that you can log into this server. In the source, select anywhere if you want to access this server from anywhere. Now click on review and launch. So here you can see the details. The server was Ubuntu server and instance type was t2.micro, SSH we had selected and click on launch. It will ask you for a key pair. You can, if you have existing key pair, there's no need to create. And if you don't have any key pair existing, then you can create a new one. Now, there is a security layer AWS has added to the server that it launches. It gives a key pair that you have to use while connecting to your server. So we'll create a new key pair and we'll use it to access our server. So let's create a new key pair and let's give any name. For example, I'm giving it Ubuntu test. Click on download key pair. It will download a PEM file. You can see the PEM file has been downloaded. Now click on launch instances. Now you can see our instance is already running. Let me rename it. Let me name it Ubuntu. And below down here, you can see the details of this instance. For example, we can see the IP address is this one and instance type is t2.micro. So all the details of our instance you can see over here. You can see the status, monitoring, tags, etc. etc. And now we will see how you can connect to this Ubuntu instance. So for this, you need a putty. Now type download putty, click here, and now you can download putty from here. Click over here. We actually need two software. One is putty and one is puttygen. So to download putty, you can click over here. On clicking it, it will start downloading. And we also need puttygen. You can download puttygen from here. So click over here and it will start downloading. Actually, Putty use PPK file and not the PEM file. That's why we need to convert our PEM file, which we had downloaded previously, to PPK file. That we can do it using puttygen. I have already downloaded puttygen. So we have downloaded Ubuntu test.pem file. Select this file and it will show the pop-up like successfully imported. Click on OK. Now click on save private key. Click on yes. It will download the PPK file. Ubuntu test.ppk. Click on save. Now it will save the file. Once it is done, now open the putty. Here put the IP address of our instance. So open this and just copy this IP address. Click on copy. Open the putty and put it over here. Now go to the SSH and click on auth. Here you need to provide the private key. So click on browse and select this Ubuntu test ppk file. Now click on open. Here click on yes. Now using this console you can access your server. So this is Ubuntu. Let me type Ubuntu, click on enter. It will import the key and do the authentication. And see, now you are connected to the server successfully. Now I can do anything over here and I can install any software like I want. For example, I can use of software like Docker or Tomcat, etc. Let me summarize this video. First, we installed the Ubuntu, we downloaded the PEM file, and after that, we downloaded Putty and puttygen.exe. We used puttygen.exe to generate PPK file from PEM because Putty accepts PPK file and not the PEM file. And after that, we connected with our Ubuntu instance from using Putty. And in my next video, we will see how you can launch Windows Server and how you can access that Windows Server using RDB tool. So that's it from this video. Thank you friends. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe my channel, like this video and share this with your friends. Thanks again for watching.